angels of God in, you know. Itong sumunod, actually, he can talk in English. Sigurado ako kaibigan to. But he is the only Filipino who ever gave our country the face of music. The singular song of anak, believed talaga lahat ng buong mundo. Sabihin ko, Freddy Aguilar, Tagalog, because he is really a nationalist. Pero ito baka ninyo, hindi nyo nasilip, ha? Brilliant people. Baski dito sa atin, sabihin ko, maybe